Hi guys, so in this tutorial we will take a look at how we can work with checkboxes. So the website that we'll be using is tutorials point checkbox here. So we will work with the first checkbox, main level 1 checkbox. Okay. So to start, this is my code. So I've already set the Chrome driver path, initialize the WebDriver, and also navigate to this particular website. So I'll post a link to this, post this link in the description so that you can use this link in your code as well. Okay, so the first thing that we want to see how to handle a checkbox is we want to select a checkbox, right? So to select a checkbox, we will create a new instance of a web element object called checkbox, and then we will use driver.findElement by the ID of the checkbox. So this is the checkbox ID. So what you can do is you can inspect and then use selectors hub. And then you can see the ID is here. And then after that, you can check if the checkbox is not selected. Then you click the checkbox. Okay. So let us run that code to see the output. So I will comment this first because we don't want to run these portions. So let's run this. And then you will see that the checkbox is now selected. Okay. Now we want to deselect the checkbox. So let me uncomment this first. So if we want to deselect a checkbox, we should first check if the select box is selected or not. So if it is selected, then we will click it to deselect it. Okay. So let us run this. And then now you can see that it is now deselected. Okay, so we went through select and deselect. The next one we want to go through is we want to verify the checkbox state. Let me uncomment this first. And to verify the checkbox state, we use boolean, a boolean value called isCheck, and then checkbox is selected. So since we have deselected the checkbox, this means that this will return false because it's not selected, right? Then we will print out the result, whether it is selected or not. So this should print out false because the checkbox is not selected, right? So now let us run the program. Okay, so this is not selected, which is correct. And here, it is quite small right here. It says checkbox selected is false. So this is how you verify the state. So that is how you work with checkboxes. You have select, deselect, and to verify the checkbox state. That's all.